Hey, I'm Leigha Butler. Welcome to this practice. Today I want to give you a routine that you can do every single day to get the day started right. It opens most of the major joints and angles in the body, and it doesn't take long to do it. So we'll start at the top of the mat. Feet about hips distance apart. Get stable and firm. Connect to your breathing. Empty all the way out. And reach your arms wide and overhead. Tip your right hand down your right leg, reaching up and over for a side body opening. Get strong at your pelvic floor, squeezing and lifting energy up. Inhale through center, reach both arms up. And then left hand slides down left leg, right arm reaches up and over. Firm through the feet as you find your opening. Inhale up through center. Soften your knees, hinge down until hands touch your thighs. Once there, get long in your spine. Point the sits bones up and back behind. And then send your hips to the left. Send your hips to the right. Back at center, straighten the legs, lengthen the spine. And one more time, hips to the left, hips to the right. And now we can bow all the way down, taking hold of elbows. Knees might be soft, they might not be. Let the head be very heavy. Send hands to your shins, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold all the way down. Then walk your fingers over to the right, reaching through left arm. That right knee could bend. Through center, walk fingers to the left, especially reaching through right arm. Left knee might soften. And back through center, fingertips to the floor. I'm going to send the left foot to the back of the mat. Rock with it, forward and back. And pause in the lunge. Keep the left fingers firm. Reach the right arm up toward the sky for spinal twist. Take the right hand down outside this foot. You're going to step in a little bit with the back foot. Set both heels down. Try to square out your hips, make them even. Get long in your spine, then fold. And opening the legs. If you're very flexible and want more from it, flex your right foot, point those toes up, keep folding. And peek forward. Step the right foot to the back of the mat. So finding downward facing dog, this upside down V. You can bend into each knee. Stay connected to your breathing. And set your knees down. Arch the spine. Inhale, it's cow shape. Then exhale, like half a push-up. You'll bend your elbows, send the heart forward. Then inhale, come right back up to cow, arching, look up. Exhale, empty out in cat shape. Tuck the tail, tuck the chin. Neutral spine. Tuck the toes. Come back to downward facing dog. Walk your feet halfway up the mat. Press your chest back. Point the sitting bones high. Neck is long and loose. Walk your feet to the top of the mat, fingers to floor or shins. Lengthen spine. Bow over legs. Press the toes down. Lift with your heart first. Keep a little back bend even as you stand all the way up. Arms go wide and they touch overhead. Arms release by your sides. Stay in motion. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, hinge all the way down. Inhale, flatten out. Exhale, step the right foot to the back of the mat. Rock forward and back. Find that lunge, plant the right hand, reach the left arm toward the sky. Look up if you can. Set the left hand down, hop in a little with the back foot. Heel to heel alignment just about. You'll square your hips, long in the spine, fold forward. Keep making your head heavy. You could point the left toes up if you're very open. Keep lengthening even at the back. Lengthen the spine, look forward. Step left foot to the back of the mat, finding downward facing dog. This time wave forward into plank position. Pause there, inhale, so strong. You're going to take a 5 count to lower all the way to your belly. Go ahead, 5, 4, 1 flat board, 2, 1. Untuck toes, send the heart forward and up. Shoulders down and back for cobra. Big inhale. And rock over to your right side until you're all the way on your side body, lifting your torso a little bit and getting this side body opening. Look towards your toes. Then we'll roll all the way over, face the legs, sit up. Roll the left toes out, bend that knee, pull that foot into the right inner thigh for Janu Shirshasana, folding over the right leg. Keep making left ribs heavy. Lengthen, come all the way up. Keep these legs except open the right leg wider to the side. Then fold in the direction of your pubic bone. Keep checking in. yourself to keep giving in. Come all the way up to sit tall. And take a twist. Face your left. Use your hands for help. Look over that left shoulder. And we'll do revolved Janu Shirshasana. So you're going to tip that right shoulder in the direction of your right foot. Sweep the left arm across your ear line. Side body opening. Doesn't matter what it looks like. We'll focus on the feeling. Keep a slight feeling of openness in your chest, like you could roll it to the sky. Come all the way up, plant your left hand, lift your seat, and reach the right arm up and behind you for a little back bend, big spinal extension. So important for the day. Squeeze your seat. And then we'll sit all the way down. Re-extend both legs. Twist to the right until you can roll right back over onto your belly, just as we began this sequence. So dip down. And send the heart forward and up for cobra. Rock over to the left side body. Prop your heart up high enough to feel the side body opening. Gaze at the feet. And we'll sit all the way up, roll both legs onto the ground, point the right toes out, bend that knee, foot inside the left thigh, fold toward the left leg. Lengthen spine, come all the way up. Keep these basic legs, except the left leg will go wide and you'll open the angle of your legs. Fold down the middle. Take your time. And crawl back up to sit just a little bit more to even out the sides. Take a twist to the right, look over the right shoulder. Tip the left shoulder in the direction of this left foot for revolved head to knee pose. Right arm reaching across the ear. Breathe right into side body. Get a sense that your chest could stay open, like you could roll it toward the sky. Doesn't matter what this shape looks like. I'm truly going for the feeling of it only. Come all the way up to sit. Plant your right hand on the ground. Lift your seat. Send this left arm behind you. Back bend. Big breaths. Squeeze the seat. Let them work for you all day today. We'll sit all the way down. Extend both legs again. Twist yourself to the left until you're rolling all the way onto your belly. Dip all the way down. Lift one last time for cobra. Come over the knees. And we'll sit all the way down on the heels. Extend the legs forward. Scoot to the top. And then lie all the way down. You can take resting pose with the knees bent, or full shavasana, the traditional final relaxation, extending your legs out long on the ground. Arms long too, palms will face up. About 8 inches, a foot away from your body. Finding rest, giving the body a chance to absorb what you've done. I'll wake you in a minute. Paying attention again to breathing and making small movements. Extend all limbs, stretch. Hug the knees in. And we'll roll up to a seat. So glad you're here. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Do say hi in the comments. I've been asking a community question each week lately, and so today's question is, what do you think yoga brings to your life? And if you're not yet a yoga practitioner, what do you think yoga can bring into your life? Love to hear from you in the comments, and feel free to reply to others in the comment section as well. Have a great week. Namaste.